Welcome back, guys. This is Leyland bringing you another T8 of the NU, the Nucypher. So, we were talking about in the last video how we were waiting for this breakout. We have this support line over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just make this just a little bit bigger. So we have this support line right here. And in the last video, we were talking about what's going to happen right here. We had a really good feeling about what was going to happen. We took a look at the MACD. We saw this bullish, this hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hour right here. Had that negative momentum, price moving downwards as we have negative momentum coming up, and we had a breakout. And what we talked about in that last video, guys, is we talked about a measured move going about from here, right there, so right about chong. And look how perfect that has played out, guys. Look how beautiful that breakout target has come and hit that top. We came up, barely hit 30 cents. Barely hit 30 cents, but we're definitely within that 28 to 30 cent range. It's looking really good now. Now, great. You took your trades. We talked about it over here. You took your trades, and now what's your exit strategy? Are you holding long? Are you gonna just swing this for a little bit? What do you plan on doing? That's always an important question that I ask traders. Yeah, you have your buy. Now, what's your exit look like? Are you just going to hang on and hope that it keeps going up? Yeah, it could. It could just keep going up. Me, personally, yeah, I would hold. If you bought somewhere in this area over here, good for you. And not financial advice, but it's a good time to be holding. If you're a day trader like me, we are looking for these possible throwbacks to these supports over here. It's very possible. It can happen. And it should happen because it's healthy. Check out this resistance/support. Resistance. Now, what I would be looking for a very healthy market is, since we got this breakout, it looks like we are doing a bit of a consolidation pattern right now, or at least making the structure for it. It could take some hours, maybe a day or 2 days, however long it takes. But when Nucypher is ready, I am expecting to have a pullback to come touch this support right here. We could be looking for anywhere between a 26 to a 27 cent Nucypher in the short term. That's not much of a pullback. Not at all. We're talking 7%, maybe 6% on that pullback. But do expect it. Expect that will happen. If not, if we don't do that, that's okay too. We don't have to go retest these lines that we've had in the past. But what we can do is go ahead and take a look at our new targets that we're going to be having for Nucypher. And as you see, we always talk about in this video, and I'm going to go ahead and reiterate it a bunch more times. This 618 line right here, this blue line, very important for coming up and trying to break all-time highs. Once we get above this 618 line right here, I want to see a retest. We touch that 618, boom. And I want to see resistance. You know what? And we don't even have to hold the resistance. I would love to see a breakthrough and it just go crazy. But you know what? That just doesn't happen. That's not realistic. We might play in here, might come down and test it again. You know, we might come down and have 2 tests. That's good. The longer we can hold this up here and we can prove that this is support down here, that's fantastic. That 618 line is a 31 cent Nucypher coming up all the way to the 35 cents on the Nucypher. This is your zone. This is the zone to be watching out for. Once we break through that 35 cents, we do want to come back and test it as support. After that, guys, we are going past 41 cents. And once we break all-time highs, we could easily go up and hit 80 cents. Doubling from our last all-time high, not very hard, especially in alt season. I do want to go ahead and show you guys on the 4-hour chart. We are overbought. Excuse me. We are overbought. Like I said, I do expect to have a retest to this support over here. Expect it. It's going to happen. You know what? It may happen. It may not happen. But I'm telling you to watch out for these things. We could come down, let's cool off for a little bit, let it consolidate before we have the next pump up, and we can come test out these 31, 35 cent levels. Coming over 35, super bullish. We continue off to more. I want to thank you guys for coming by. I love you. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'm bringing you more Nucypher videos. People are requesting it. The videos are getting a lot of views. To me, a lot. I only have like 600 views on it, but you know what? To me, that's a lot. I only just started this channel about 4 weeks ago. 5 weeks now. Anyways, thank you very much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.